Levi, làm sao nhõng nhẽo vậy? You want Baba? Huh? You want Baba? Hey, smile. Levi, smile. Oh, push you.
Mommy.
Wee.
Mommy, get Denver smile. Denver smile.
Denver, smile.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we're gonna do some crafts with Carter and Levi. Say hi. I got some markers here. I needed some kind of hard paper, so I cut up a little house. I'm gonna teach him English on one side and Vietnamese on the other, since he already knows. Okay, so I'm just going to draw. So you can color.
I'm dropping. I'm on
Hold on.
There's the wishes. There you be quiet.
I'm gonna draw.
Quiet.
Oh wait, be careful.
Oh
Let's
wait.
do this.
I like it.
Windows and a door.
Smile.
And then we're gonna put now they can play. This is a house and this is yeah. And then you can use a paper clip and you clip and you match it up. Carter, you wanna do it like this? See?
Yeah. I need to draw.
And then you match it up. See? And then that is B.
Quiet. Say.
Alright.
No, just quiet. And quiet. Yeah, move it.
Alright, Carter, show me what you
Mama,
got.
you hold this.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Uh-oh.
Good job. Match the letters.
Mama, you hold this.
Yes, I can.
I can't do it.
Just hold it. Yeah, you clip it. Put it through. All right, that's good enough. Okay.
That's my new T-Rex.
Where's the, what happened? There's something else. I just see text. There's another letter that you're missing.
See?
Yeah. What's this?
We need this.
That's an R. That's lowercase r. I'm trying to teach you lowercase.
We need to take this off. I'm missing it. Because we don't know what. There is
There it is.
And this one. Mommy.
Good job. Yay, you did it.
What color?
Color. Hey guys, so you guys know that Dawn left me, right? Like this morning to California. So I've been up and home by myself with 3 boys. And guess what? 2 of the big ones are sleeping. Levi all of a sudden fell asleep in the living room on the floor. Look at him. Let me show you Carter. So now I think I can have time to make dinner. And that was Denver, and I think he just had a blowout, like a little. And he's awake. Look at you. So I have to change diapers now. And then I'm gonna go and make dinner. Wish me luck. You nastiness. Oh, God bless you. Oh, 2 of them. You gave me a monster blowout. I'm gonna have to deal with it myself. Look at this. I have to do laundry. Ugh. It's just poop after poop. Ugh. 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 Man. Ugh. I have to deal with this. Look at this. I just like rubbed the crap out of it with some dish detergent. That's this, and it helps get rid of the stain of baby's blowout, and then I just spray some of this Shout Advanced Action Gel on it, and I'm gonna wash it right away so that it can come off. Ugh. Oh, Levi just woke up. So I was hurrying up doing stuff. I have a tôm kho tàu on the stove right now. I've made that before, and I just made a really quick air fried tofu. It's in the air fryer right now. I'm just making it because my mother-in-law is going to come home from work soon, and she's gonna come over and help me with the boys before bed. She's staying over the night. So I just wanted to have something for her to eat for dinner. I don't want to just feed her leftovers, you know. So Levi's has woken up, and Carter's still sleeping, and then Denver's in the room just chilling, laying flat, and they're just happy. So see, I got the tofu in there right now. Turn on the light so you guys can see. I'm so sorry, my air fryer is so dirty. I haven't even got a chance to clean it. And I'm gonna show you my tôm kho tàu that is on the stove right now. I just turned on the fire. You know what? I'm not even gonna be able to open it with that mitt. I'm gonna have to use something else to show you. Yes, so it's in there. It is cooking. So I wanted to show you guys. I've been doing this crafts with Carter because I saw it on Pinterest. I thought that was so cute. I just want him to get off of the iPad, you know, for a little bit every day on the summertime. Since Denver is so small, me and Don talked about it. We don't want to send the boys to daycare because they won't then get sick, come home, pass it to Denver. He's just way too young. Even though he's got his shots of 2 months, it's just not, his immune is still weak since he's a preemie also. So we're just keeping them home, and then I'm just looking on Pinterest, finding out like what I can do with them that would get them off of the iPads for like a couple of hours. Not even hours. I mean, literally didn't even last that long because they were so tired, so they went to sleep. So then I made this. I saw this on Pinterest. I thought it was so cute. So he could just like match the letters, because Carter knows the capital letters, but he doesn't know the lowercase. So I thought that would be cool. Plus, it's like different color coded. And then I made GAT on the other side. Ignore this because this is like other letters that he can put in. You know, it's kind of like a piece in the puzzle together. I also try to do like 3-letter because I mean I don't have much paper, so I cut it up. Carter's just like coloring around, son, and then he wanted a T-Rex, so I drew him a T-Rex and also have letters for that. Then I did Sam right here for car, and then I did house, and it's shaped like a house for him. So I'm just gonna make some more. There's some letters right here that I have, you know, and it's pretty cool because they like it. They like to do something different, like clip it and stuff. So if that's something else for you guys to do, and then tomorrow or during the week I have something else that I want to do. I heard somebody say something like, if you want to remember, like, take pictures of what you want to remember them by. And after Carter, I got so busy, you know, being pregnant with Levi in Denver, like right away, that I didn't get a chance to get like the moments that I like from them. I got like a lot of footprints of Carter, but I didn't get any of Levi's, and his foot is getting big now. I mean, look at this. It's like big, okay? So I want to get their hands, and I want to make them a little alphabet like painting by using their hands, and then we're just gonna do by A, B, C. You'll see what I'm gonna do. So I looked on Pinterest and saw a couple of like projects, and I saved it. So we're gonna go and do that. And guess what I want, guys? I want some of this. But my mother-in-law's coming, so I might just have to tuck this back. And back to caffeine. I'll talk to you guys later.